Greetings to everyone in Karmen. Is there another way to connect my printer Prusa MK3 to Karmen than Karmen Pill? Thanks for your help in advance. Carl.
Hi Carl, in your case I would recommend you to use my plugin on Octoprint. For this tutorial you will need 1. Device running Octoprint and connected to printer. For example Raspberry. 2. Account on next.karmen.tech. Open your Octoprint setting. Get into Plugin Manager and click on Get More in upper right corner. Write Karmen connector to search bar and click on Install button on our plugin. After successful install you will be asked to reboot device. Open setting and this time open application keys. Name application identifier and let's generate the key. Now go to your workspace at next.karmen.tech. Hit that Add Printer button. Choose Octoprint device option. Name your printer. Enter secondary API key generated in Octoprint. After pressing Next button you will get unique device key. This key would be used at Karmen connector plugin settings. Open setting, go to Karmen connector, fill device key and save settings. Now connect Octoprint server to printer. And start your first print through Karmen.